In this video, I will create an MSI barcode using the IDAutomation Barcode Fonts and VBA font encoder for Excel. MSI is a barcode type that encodes numeric data. I have already installed the MSI font package and imported the VBA font encoder. For information on how to import the VBA, check out the link in the description. In cell B2, enter the formula equal MSI and the cell's reference, A2. Hit Enter to encode the data. The data is encoded. Set the barcode font. Select Home. In the font dropdown, select the IDAutomation MSI L font. MSI is created in Excel.